Think your memory is perfect. Think again. Every time you remember something, your brain isn't pulling up a file. It's rebuilding the memory from pieces, and that can make it wrong. Your brain doesn't store memories like a video. Instead, it stores fragments, images, emotions, sounds, and context. When you recall an event, your brain reassembles those fragments, filling in gaps with logic, imagination, or suggestions from others. This is why two people can witness the same event and remember it completely differently. Even your own memories can change over time. Psychologists call it the memory reconstruction effect. Studies have shown that eyewitnesses often misremember key details in criminal cases. People can confidently remember events that never happened, especially if someone suggests details. Every time you think about a memory, it's like an edit in a document. Your mind can insert small details that weren't originally there. That's why childhood memories can become hazy, distorted, or even false. Your brain prefers coherent stories. It might alter memories slightly to make them fit a narrative, so your past feels more logical than it actually was. So next time you swear, you remember something exactly as it happened. Remember, your memory is not a camera, it's a storyteller. And your brain might just be rewriting history every time you recall it.